Auto Collision Repair, we explore all the techniques professionals in the industry use every day to restore vehicles to how they were before the accident that brought them to the shop. I like how hands-on it is. I'm definitely someone who needs super hands-on, so it's really a good fit for me and my skills.
This is like a real workplace because we have all of the equipment, we learn how to do it, and then we work on it for weeks on end.
I'm learning the high-tech world of auto collision repair, starting with the hood of this car.
We get to repair and finish the outside of damaged vehicles like this one. And we learn how to fix the mechanical systems inside too.
So we took the rocker panel off because there was damage to the underside of it. There was a lot of pinholes and everything in it, so it wasn't structurally sound.
It starts with pre and post computer scanning and cost estimating.
Fixing this car means repairing the damage and color matching. We apply specialized fillers, paints, and coatings to make it like new again.
I'm using this spray gun to apply a specialized coating for a vehicle. It's learning while doing.
While we're learning, we earn certifications, start apprenticeships, and even paid internships at local collision and repair shops that can lead right to full-time employment when we graduate.
My favorite part is using computer programs and 3D measuring systems to diagnose problems and estimate services. All that helps us determine what the repair plan will be.
Welding is part of this program too. We use a variety of specialized high-tech tools in learning how to repair vehicles. I'll use these skills on every vehicle I ever own. In this program, I'm able to earn certifications through the iCar Academy entry-level program. It also helps me prepare for Automotive Service Excellent certification and the Michigan Mechanics License Test too. We can even earn college credits before we finish high school.
There's so much more to learn and I can't wait.
I know with the training and education here, I'll always have a career in this field.
My future starts here at Kent Career Tech Center.
Your future can start here too.